Welcome to my YouTube video. And in this particular video, let's talk about a particular project called Xeffy. So, this particular video, I've said everything, latest information that you need to know on how to position yourself and how to get your token allocation, which I drop on my YouTube channel on the 1st of July. But there is another important information which you need to know so that you'll be able to position yourself, you'll be able to trade your token swap immediately start trading. Let me quickly show you something really fast. So if you are watching this particular video now and you have not watched this particular video here on my channel, you might not fully understand the grip of what I will actually be talking about in this particular video. So you need to watch particular one because there are some set of instruction which you need to follow before you be able to understand this particular one that I'm currently sharing with you. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that then it's when I upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link and also in the comment section of this particular video. So I won't be talking about the wallet connection because if you have actually connected your wallet, which is this particular one, there's another thing which you need to know, which is the Xphere's mainnet, yes, which you need to connect on the behalf of your Web3 account, which will allow you to get the token in your wallet. That is what my previous video actually. So let me show you this particular update that they actually posted today, which is 2nd of July 2026 on their X account, so that you'll be able to know what is ahead of us. Now let me quickly show you. So this is the Xeffy X account, official X account page, and you can see it is verified. Look at the amount. So let me quickly show you something that they shared today, which is just 44 minutes ago. Let me quickly show you. Now they say coin market listening application submitted. This is the ticket number. Xeffy is now officially in review. And don't forget that they actually said, which was yesterday, that the token distribution will actually start in the next 48 hours, which is today, meaning from on third, everybody should start seeing their airdrop in their wallet. And don't forget, a lot of people have been sharing a lot of this particular token that they have actually received their token in their wallet on next. They are just using it to actually cash cruise. As far as what these people actually see, they have not actually sent any token to anybody. See, look at it here. You can see this one is 1 day ago. They say we plan to process to proceed with the airdrop within the next 48 hours. So it is in the next 48 hours that everyone will start getting their airdrop allocation. So I pray that they should not actually postpone this particular airdrop distribution because a lot of people are actually expecting to get their airdrop. So let me show you the most beautiful one now, which is this particular one, which was shared 2 hours ago. They say immediately after incentive distribution, liquidity for Xeffy, XEF, which is the name of their token, will be supplied to PumpkinSwap. The token is already listed on Max Exchange, but the liquidity provided will be on this particular, I think this is the particular exchange here, which is this is the link. I'll drop you the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video, so that you'll be able to check it out and navigate your way around it. But on now you'll be able to trade on this particular exchange, on this particular DEX. I'll also be creating another new video around this, so you could see that they actually quoted that particular DEX, which is this is their verified X exchange too. Let's look at what they say. You see, they say PumpkinSwap is the main DEX on the FX system, which is this is the link. They say following the Xeffy project airdrop scheduled within the next 48 hours, liquidity provision for XEF will be conducted on PumpkinSwap. After XEF, numerous projects will be launched based on specs and liquidity will be supplied to PumpkinSwap. Please keep an eye on PumpkinSwap going forward as well. So there is no way or any other process which you'll be able to exchange your token, which is this XEF token, which you will be getting to either USDT or any stable coin aside this, because this is where the liquidity will actually be provided. So I'll be creating a more detailed video on how you'll be able to trade on this particular DEX, on how you'll be able to exchange your token so that they will not actually dump that particular token upon you anytime it is actually launched, so that you'll be able to change it to stable USDC or any stable coin of your choice. So Stay informed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for any other latest information. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're getting sent to upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.